In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Stan Store. In order to do that, first head over to www.stan.store, which is their website. From this part, click onto this sign up option or click on this continue option in order to create an account. If any else or if you already have an account, click on this login option. Next thing is to head over to Stripe. On a new tab, search in here for stripe.com. And from in there, proceed to actually create an account on Stripe. So click onto this sign in and sign off for Stripe by adding your email address from this part. Now on my case, I already have an account on both, so here's my actual Stan Store. To connect your Stripe, head over right here to your settings that you can find on your left sidebar. Once you're in there, click onto this payments. You can see your Stripe right here. Click onto this register. Then click on this connect. And then this will open in here this new window wherein you just need to authorize the integration of Stan Store to your Stripe. Just right here your home country. After that, click on this create. And then you will be redirected to connect.stripe.com. Just wait for this to successfully finish altogether. With this, proceed to enter your email address. If you already have an account, just proceed to sign in from there as well. Submit your details from here, and then once you have connected your account, it should be able to appear into this part right here under your payment methods, and users or customers should be able to pay through Stripe, which is a secure integration that you can actually offer them. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.